How to download Trustwallet on Android mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Trustwallet app on your Android device. For this, you want to open the Play Store app. Make sure that you have signed in using your Google account over here. Then you want to tap on the search bar and here type Trustwallet. Out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. Now, Trust Wallet is a multi-chain self-custody cryptocurrency wallet and secure gateway to thousands of Web3 decentralized applications. You can get all the information about this application over here. If you scroll down, you also have app information and compatibility information. If you want the ratings and review, all you have to do is scroll down and here you have ratings and reviews from different users. Now, if you want to download this application, tap on the install button. As soon as you do that, the downloading will begin. Now, depending on your internet speed and the file size, it will take some time. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option, log into your account, and now you can start using the Trust Wallet app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.